Now, if you desire a theatrical run, and this could happen potentially with a distributor or doing it yourself in a few different avenues, this is very rare and it is very expensive. A lot of times with a theatrical run, what's required is a minimum amount of advertising that you have to pay for in order for theaters to entertain that, whether it's with a distributor or on your own. And then once it runs in a theater, then that money gets split up in so many different ways and goes to different places and different people involved in the process. So there's very little money for the producers of the film theatrically at the end of the day. So that's probably not going to happen to you or to your situation. So you don't have to think about it that much. But if you're really craving and desiring and seeing a way that you and your film could benefit from some sort of theatrical play, there are some ways that you can make that happen that don't require a huge campaign and to be in 2,000 theaters across the country. With our feature film, A Strange Brand of Happy, it actually was in 43 cities and 45 theaters across the country, and that was a really cool experience. But it wasn't something that we made money on, and it was super complicated and super expensive to navigate that. But there was a different strategy that we've used for some of our other films, and that is to partner with a local theater. Again, if you have a proven track record, or if you have the huge coalition that you can share with the local movie theater, they might entertain either a one-time screening or maybe a short run where you run your film for a weekend or for a week long. And when you do that, you could offer to split the door with the movie theater, split the admissions. Or if you want, you could do a one-time screening and you could actually rent out the movie theater and then you collect the tickets off of that one running. So there are a few different things that you can explore. And then there's also websites that allow you to build an audience, to build up demand, and then book a screening that way, like tug.com, and there are some others out there. But you can look at that opportunity as well.